I said, what are you doing in my matrimonial room?
I'm sorry, ma. Just that I got an urgent call from my workplace, so I decided to come and tell you before leaving. I've been shouting, but no one answered me.
What excuses for barging into my room? Are you okay? Are you insane?
I'm sorry, just that I deemed it fit to come and let you know before leaving.
Please, you can go. Make sure you come back here early and finish your work.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You can leave. Please, go. Shut the door after you. Shut the door!
I will.
Can you imagine?